The milk comes in once a week. A big 5-gallon tub comes in and we put in these milk dispensers, which is like a refrigerator that keeps it cold. So the kids come through the line, they grab one of these cups and they hit the button and the milk comes out cold and fresh.
What we're doing is we're eliminating half-pint milk cartons from landfill. Most importantly, what has happened is it's been a gateway project that opens up a lot of learning opportunities for students beyond just the milk itself.
We at Evergreen set out a goal to actually have more planet-friendly ways of teaching the children how to save our environment. You'll see us in full alignment with the vision and the goal of reducing waste, and that's the greatest accomplishment. And working as a team in collaboration with the awesome nutrition staff, I think that's the biggest value.
Right now, we have like little trash because we have like metal cups. It's good for the environment.
Using reusable cups helps to reduce waste.
It made our cafeteria cleaner and it's better for the environment and stops pollution.
We're learning the difference between recycle, garbage, and composting.
We're super excited about joining with this team and the green team at Evergreen to move forward, along with our other partners in Federal Way at Panther Lake, TAF Saghalie, and Star Lake, of course, in the adjacent building. This is real world learning for students so that they actually can see the impact that they're making on the environment. A cafeteria in a school is the only place in the entire building that's not dedicated to learning. I think we're seeing that big change here at Evergreen because the staff is very involved. We've been able to pierce that curiosity mode with the students. And as a result, at some of our schools, we're already doing learning modules in humanities, math, science, health.
What I've learned in the class is that reusing materials and reusable cups, they're like pretty good for the environment and they help like everybody and animals too.
This is a grant sponsored by the King County Circular Economy Grants. The grant was awarded to Zero Waste Washington, and then our organization, Northwest Food Alliance, was brought in to do project management, and so that's our role. This is the first school district in the region that I'm aware of that's going all in on durables, really looking at eliminating single-use plastics, half-pint milk cartons, and making sure that we also are offering students the opportunity to get a better grasp of what the impact is of their actions. So for instance, when we eliminate half-pint milk cartons, we're reducing landfill greenhouse gas emissions.
What we're teaching students is helpful for generations to come.